Hello everyone, my name is Miss Carr and this is
Jayden.
And we are doing Cooking Wednesdays, okay?
Okay.
Today we will be making, what are we making, Jayden?
Pizza.
Pizza. Okay, so these are all the ingredients we're gonna need for our pizza. We have our bowl, our pepperonis, our cheese, our dough, and our sauce. Before we start, we're going to first wash our hands. That's very important. So Jayden, let's show everyone how we wash our hands. You go use some soap. Alright, thank you. Okay, so first Jayden, we're gonna cut this. So first we're gonna cut the package open for the door. For the dough.
Yes.
Sorry.
I can see.
Jayden, you'll see it in a little bit. Then we cut the package. Jayden wants to be on the camera.
Right. I guess where's me at?
Alright, Jayden, pour this into the bowl.
The bowl.
Pour it into the clear bowl. Pour it all in there. Okay, thank you. Now we're gonna pour the water.
Oh, right in there?
Yep, pour the water in there.
All of it?
All of it. Good job. Okay, now mix it. Bring the bowl closer to you. Gotta mix it real good. May need to add a little bit more water. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, now mix it some more.
Okay, time to mix, mix, mix. Rubble, rubble, mix. Mix and mix and mix. Mix and mix, 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 mix. Oh.
It's okay, you got napkins.
Yeah. I like this.
You like it?
I like the video. I like the video.
You like the video thing?
Yeah, so yeah, I like the video called Make This Pizza.
Okay, let Mama help you start.
Guys.
So hold the camera at the bowl. Just point at the bowl. No, the bowl. Like that. Hold it towards the bowl. And mix real good.
Some more.
Mm-hmm.
This one.
Yeah. We gotta put some over here too.
Right here.
Yeah.
Add some more. You don't have to. Give me this one. You can use some, Mama.
Yeah, I'll help you. The more cheese you add, the cheesier it is.
We added some more cheese. This is the good piece of the good piece of show. I got a little. Look at our pizza.
Look at that.
You looking good? Our pizza's looking good. I got big. Cause that's what our pizza smell like. I got the pizza today, Mom. We will go eat the pizza.
Yes, we'll eat the pizza.
So we can eat we added all the ingredients, guys. All the ingredients too, cause that's what people, mean kids can make.
Okay, now hold the pizza. Hold this.
And I go do that.
Yeah. Hold it to the pizza.
The pizza
Don't
looking
do that.
Huh?
We have two packages. Jayden, hold it over there.
Oh, sorry, Mom. I'll be done.
Okay, Jayden, now put the pepperonis.
Take out the pieces.
Yep, take all the pieces and put them on the pizza.
Oh yes! Look at our pizza. Oop. Look at our pizza, guys.
It looks awesome, right?
Yeah, it smells good. No. That's what that smell like. It smells like pizza with macaroni.
Pizza and macaroni.
Pizza. It smells like pizza. It smells like good. My, you like this pizza. Making pizza. I'm gonna put mine right here.
Okay, put all of them.
Okay. I got all of them. Put it right here while you just
Put some right there. Over there.
you got this.
Right there. Right there.
Okay.
Put some over there. One right there. One right there. Let's see. Kind of got them on top.
Is that Mama?
Yep, you got your pepperonis on there.
Yeah, that's a fun video.
Okay.
That's
So once you have all your ingredients on your pizza, now what is it that we do,
put it
Jayden?
in the oven.
You got it. Put it in the oven. Preheat your ovens to 425 and make sure you have a parent with you. We'll be back for the end result. So this was our end result of our pizza.
Yeah.
Thank you for helping us make our pizza today.
Yeah!
Happy Wednesday.
Happy